Good afternoon. So today we are using this stunning palette. It's a new Morphe x SAWEETIE 24A Accessible Hours. Accessible Area. I don't know, this palette today. This was requested by my dear friend Shiv. She ordered this palette because I had it, and she's like, dude, I don't know what to do with it. I'm not too like confident with colour, so can you please do a vid so I can learn and use it? I was like, yeah, sure. So if we open her up, it's very like Coachella vibes. I really like it. You've got these stunning glitters, and they're kind of like Vaseline with glitter. Like, I've used this palette before and I'm not a big fan. Like, they're not great, but that's fine, they're still cute. And then you've got all these stunning ones. This is one with the stars in. I'm just gonna do a look using this today. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, and keep on watching. And Shiv, I hope you enjoy. I love you. Okay, so first I'm just going to prime our eyes with, I do two. So I use Jouer concealer. This is the Essential High Coverage in Custard, and then I put the P. Louise base in Rumour number 2 on top, just because I find this doesn't like give enough and it goes a bit like, ugh. So I do this and this. I'm going to do one eye first and then see if I like it, and then I'll do the other one after. Go ahead with the James Charles X Morphe mini palette and take this medium purple one and just put that in my crease. Okay, so once you've got the purple down and you've got like the shape you're after, I'm going to take Stage Persona and then I'm just going to blend that out. And then, just to intensify that, I'm going to take Major Inspo from the same palette and just go along the outer corner just to give it a bit more oomph. Okay, purples are like notoriously difficult, so I'm just going to go back in to this one from James Charles and just kind of like diffuse that a bit as well. I like to, so it's not just like one colour, you know what I mean? And go back in with NYX brush that has that light purple Stage Persona on to just blend that out. Cute. So, happy with the shape. So now I'm gonna cut the crease, and I'm literally just gonna use these two again. So for the cut crease, I literally just like use little stamping motions. Freezing with. That's cute. That's like probably the best cut crease I've done in a long time. If you watch our last video, then you'll know. Oh no, it's bloody printed. I don't know if like everyone else does this, but I do it. I set, because I find that it really like prints out like what she's done there. I always set it with like some white eyeshadow, and then just to like blend it in a bit so you've not got such like a harsh line, go back in with Major Inspo on the outer third, just blend that in. Okay, for the empty space on my cut crease, I'm going to go in with Secret Set, because that's fucking cute. I think, I'm brush using, I'm going to brush use my finger. I'm going to try this one. So again, all spectrum. It's A13. I did press quite hard and like, oh, what kind of formula? Oh, it's a squishy formula. This is squishy. Oh my god. Cool. Then maybe I should use my finger. I don't know. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Oh my god. That is stunning. That is, oh my god, yeah, I'm gonna use my finger. That is so fucking cute. I can't stop staring at it, I'm so in love, it's so cute. Okay, so that's it for this eye. So I'm just going to nip off, do the other eye, and then we will come back, do the base, and then finish off this eye. So I'll do like the under eye, mascara, wings, and then I'll do my brows as well. So see you in a minute. So, I've just finished the other eye, so I'm just going to do my base. So, I've already petrified my skin. So for my base, I used the YSL All Hours, and this is in shade BR20. And then I use the Jouer again in custard. So I do concealer first, because I've got quite dark under eyes and like redness there. So I do concealer, then foundation, and then more concealer because you got like coverage. Okay, so for contour I've been trying to use like cream based products because I find I'm not getting like as good as of a payoff with like loads of powder. So I've been using the Conceal and Define by Revolution in shade C1. So I literally only use this for contour. Put a bit on. Like that. That's how I get my chin contours, to give myself a double chin. So if you're unsure where to press it in, literally when you push the brush in, you can feel where your jaw is. So you literally just want to hit it against that. Snatched. And then just blend that out. Cool. And then just to give a bit more warmth and definition, I'm gonna go in with the light one from this Cocoa Contour by Too Faced. I'm just going to take the medium one, just a bit of that, just to give a bit more oomph. Okay, I'm going to do highlighter less because I get quite oily skin. I find that if I do highlighter early and I'm like faffing around, then it like, I just shine everywhere. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to quickly do my brows off camera and then I'll be back and then we can finish off the eye. Okay, so brows done. So we're going to finish off the under eye. So going back into Major Inspo, dunk that in, lovely. Straight under the lashes. And then going back into James Charles, this one, taking this little blender brush and just going over that and bringing that kind of like towards your inner corner. And when I'm always doing my bottom lash, I always just bring it up to the outer corner of this. Okay, cool. If you want to blend it out, make it a bit lighter, just go back in with Stage Persona and just like run that underneath. You've probably still got some left over from before. Cool, so I'm happy with that. I do really want to add like a green in the corner. I'm thinking, because there's this really nice neon, such a nice green in here. I think that'll look funky. Let me try that. Okay, let's do that. So I just picked up another just small blended brush and I'm going to go into Green Room. Ooh, she dusty. Then put that in the inner corner. Oh yes, oh my god, I love this. So I've just started stamping it on and then gently twirling my brush around. Again. I wish I had like some green like glitter or something to like make this a bit more oomph. Found this green in the Morphe 35B colour burst. Kind of looks alright. I'm not a big fan of this palette at the best of times, so let's see how it goes. Okay, yeah, that was cute. We're happy with that. So for liner, it's so old and like I use it a lot. It's completely come off, but it's a Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. And then for mascara, this is a recommendation from JB Genevieve and I fucking love it. It's Bambi Eyes False Lash from L'Oreal. This stuff, I was like Die Hard Better Than Sex from Too Faced. No, I'm changed, I'm Die Hard Bambi Eyes now. This is so good. It's like thick but not thick, but like enough so you can actually really pull the lashes out. Like, watch this. I love it. So I've got really long eyelashes anyway, so I want to have them spread out. Like, I love that mascara. Like, it's really good for when you just want to get right in there. So I've started leaving bottom lashes to last for mascara, because I'm finding when I put on eyelashes, it all kind of like, and then you just get like this big fat mess underneath. So I'm going to use, I've cut these up. I like these cut up. These are Land of Lashes Hollywood. So I literally cut them in half and I just stick them on the outer corners of my eyes, and that like, so we're going to do that. Like, look. Oh, look how cute that is. So to finish off, we're going to go in with some blush. This is empty is what it is. This is Luminoso by Milani. And then I like the pat around there. These brushes were literally washed yesterday, so they're not really like, do you know when you like wash your brushes and they're just not, you know, picking up as well? And I like this blush because it's really like cute pink and it's got a bit of highlight in, so I don't have to highlight too much, which I enjoy. And then what's left over on the brush, just run over my nose. And then just for a cute bit of highlight, this is a little travel size Becca Opal, and it is smashed to shit, but it's still usable. Just a little bit. Really don't need a lot with this at all. Cupid's bow highlight. I love. I'm just going to take a nude. This is by, I don't know which brand this is, but it's a shade Dusty Rose. And then to finish off, this is my favourite gloss, Wet Cherry in the shade Naked Cherry. Bubblegum. No, not bubblegum, Drumsticks. They are amazing. Okay, so this is the final look. So I've finished my hair, you know, put some mascara on, did my lips, everything, powdered, a bit more bronzer. So yeah, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. That really helps and it means the world. So hopefully I get to see you in the next one. And yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye. Oh, why is everything not working for me? Oh, will you? Okay, hold on, I'm gonna do this again.